Welcome to CareerReady.ai, where we will be walking you through the step-by-step process of creating a new program as a coach using our platform. In this video, we will cover the following key steps. 1. Add new program. 2. Filling out the program details. 3. Adding mentees. 4. Adding raters. 5. Publishing the program. 6. How to republish a program if needed. First, to create a new program, go to the Programs tab on the platform. In the top right corner, click the Add New button. This will open up a new form for you to begin creating your program. Now that the form is open, you'll need to fill out all the relevant details about the program. Moreover, you can also enable the consent form that will allow you, as a coach, to get the consent of your mentees on whether their data can be used for research purposes. Enabling this feature ensures that any mentee can opt in or out of this. If you want to create a 360-degree program, so click Allow 360 button. This option, when enabled, allows you to add raters for your mentees and gather 360-degree feedback. Without this feature turned on, you won't be able to add raters to the program. Once the form is filled out, it's time to add mentees to your program. On the top left corner of the screen, you will see the Add Mentee button. You have a few options for adding mentees. You can add them individually by entering their details. Or, you can import a list of mentees using the Import button. This allows you to either import from an Excel file, a list of previously added people, or from a group you've already created in the system. To import via Excel, download the provided template, and add the mentee details, and then upload the file. Once the mentees are added, you will see them listed below. You can delete or edit their details by clicking on the 3 dots next to each mentee. Next, after you've added your mentees, it's time to add raters. Click the Add Rater button in the top right corner. Here, you can add the necessary details for each rater, and remember that you need to add more than one rater in each category for balanced feedback. This is particularly important if you've enabled the 360 feedback option. Once all the mentees and raters have been added, the next step is to publish the program. You can do this by clicking the Publish button. Upon publishing, emails will be sent to all mentees and raters, notifying them of their participation in the program. If you ever need to add a new mentee, raters, or update any information to an already published program, you can do so by going back to the program, adding the mentee, and then republishing the program. It's important to remember that if you don't republish the program after adding a new mentee, their status will remain not sent. After republishing, you will see that the status changes to sent, ensuring they are fully included. And that's it. You've now successfully created, published, and learned how to manage a program using our platform. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.